Hello everybody, my name is Serena Gabriel, and I am here to let you know that I'm going to be performing at the online HeartH Festival. There will be all different types of performers, and it's going to be great. So I really hope you can make it. I will be providing music as well as a very special dance. A sword dance. And in the meantime, if you would like to find out more about what I do, you can check out my Bandcamp page under Serena Gabriel, or my Instagram or Facebook under Serena Gabriel Music. So I hope you can make it to the online HeartH Festival, and this is my sound check.